Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to our channel, and today I am back with another review. I am going to review Wordkraft today. If you are a writer or if you need a lot of written content or articles, Wordkraft can be super useful for you. It has over 60 writing tools and even 70 app templates that can help you to write next level content. And that is not enough for Wordkraft. There is even an AI generator, which means you can generate images by the help of AI by writing a prompt about your image. And the best part about Wordkraft is that it is super easy to write articles through the platform. As you can see, there are only 3 steps. The first is you have to select a writing tool, and then you have to input some product details or details about your content, and then you can generate content that is going to be authentic, which saves you time as well as money. And Wordkraft has a lot of use cases, as you can see on their websites, and there are also some advanced features. So the platform is powered by GPT-3. There are over 60 content tools, and then there is the blog post wizard, which means if you're a blogger and you constantly need articles every day, you can generate full blog post from this blog post wizard feature. And there are 27 languages supported by Wordkraft, which means you can create your articles by AI in 27 different languages. The articles are going to be super SEO optimized, and the user interface is also very friendly, so that even newcomers won't have any problem using Wordkraft. Wordkraft.ai is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal, which means by paying only $39 you can get lifetime access to Wordkraft.ai. This is an alternative to Copy.ai. Now let's have a look at the features of this tool. So there are over 64 tools for writing, 78 plus ready-made templates, 27 plus languages supported. There is long form text editor, and you can generate 3000 plus word article in just 2 clicks, which is simply amazing. And there are a lot of other features. Now let's have a look at the plans. So the single quote costs $39 and you can generate 20,000 words per month with it. And then there is the double quote costing $78, and the word limit per month is 50,000. And there is also multiple quote which cost $170, and the per month word limit is 100k. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into Wordkraft, you will get this dashboard, and from here you can see all the popular tools and all the popular templates. So first let's have a look at the tools, and as you can see on the left side, the tools are divided into different categories. So from this blog content you can get all the tools that are suitable for blog. There are also some other tools for website and SEO, for social media, for marketing, for miss, and you can see all of the tools from this section. And then there are 78 templates, and this is one of the best features of Wordkraft, I think, because there are some templates that you will surely not find on any other AI writing tools. So let's have a look at some of them. So as you can see, for business there are a lot of different templates. For example, about us, demand of delivery letter, acknowledgement letter, circular letter. So some of these templates are super unique and they are usually not available on regular AI tools. And then there are some other unique templates, such as you can get template for marketing, for career, and for career there are some really specific templates such as this nurse cover letter, sales cover letter, teacher cover letter, and then there are some for HR, for email, for personal. So for example, you want to use this promotion letter of HR. First you have to click on it and just see how simple it is. So first you have to select your template, and then you have to provide some very basic information, name of the person that you want to send this promotion letter to, and then you have to provide promotion reason, the date, benefits, and salary. And then there are some other advanced options, such as you can select the language, the tone of voice, variance, and creativity. So it is super simple to create a content or a letter such as this promotion letter using these templates. And then there is the my content section. So all of your content that you create through Wordkraft will appear in this section. So now let's go back to this tools option and let me show you how to create a article. For that, click on this blog content and then you can use this article writer. There are also some other tools for writing your articles, such as conclusion, title, intro, rewriter, paragraph writer, and so many others. But this article writer is going to write a full article for you in a few seconds. So let's click on it, and then you have to provide the keyword of your article. Let's type one. You can also provide some additional keywords if you want, and then select the language, and then you can create subheadings. So if you have some subheadings already created, you can add them one by one by clicking on this add new. But if you do not want to go through that hassle, you can simply click on this generate article subheadings, and as you can see, the subheadings or the full outline of the article has been created, and it is super comprehensive. So somehow some subheadings from other languages have also been added, so let's delete those, and now let's click on generate article since our subheadings are ready. As you can see on the left side, there are even some image suggestions, and I think this is a super great feature because for articles, images are a big necessity, and there are also bigger chances to rank on Google if you have images on your article. So I think it's a great feature from Wordkraft. So our article is completely ready, so let's have a look at the article, and as you can see, it's a pretty long article. On the right side you can see the amount of words. It is over 3000 words of article. There is 1 H1, 22 H2, so you can see all of the details about the article on the right side. So you can save this article, you can also copy your content to publish it, and on the left side you can see all of the images. You can also load more if you want. As you can see, there are so many images, and I really love how all the images are super relatable to this article. And then on this long form article writer, you can also do some really good things, such as if you select a sentence, you can rewrite this sentence. You can also expand this sentence, which means increase the words of this sentence, and there are some formatting options too. So overall, I think the quality of the article, the features, the images are really good. So let's go back to the dashboard, and then there are some other features that I still have not showed you. So let's select this keyword research. This is again one of the best features of Wordkraft. You can perform keyword research of a keyword directly from here. For example, your keyword is green tea. So type your keyword and then select the country and then click on search, and as you can see, you will get the keyword overview. So you can see the keyword volume, the CPC, difficulty, competition. You can even see the keyword trend from here, which is a really useful feature. You can also see the related keywords, the long tail keywords, and even suggested article titles. So if you want to write some articles on this green tea topic, you can get the title ideas from this section. You can get related keywords, also the long tail keywords, and the best part is you can even select these keywords to write your article directly from here. For example, I want to select these keywords and then these ones. So as you can see, the title and keywords are already in this article generating section. So all you have to do is click on generate article, and based on your title and keywords, an article will be generated. And then we already have seen the article writer, and there is a really cool feature which is currently in beta. It is the smart chat. So it works very similarly to ChatGPT. You have to type a question or query in this box, and then you can send the query to the smart chat, and it is going to answer your question or your query. And the last feature, but definitely not the least feature, is image generator. So from here you can even generate images from AI, and generating the image is super easy. You just have to write a prompt in this box, and then you have to select the image size. So there are 3 types of resolutions, and then you can select how many images you want. Then you also have some advanced options, such as you can select the classify, style, artist, and even the mood, and then you can generate your image from this section. So overall, I think Wordkraft.ai is an excellent AI writing tool, and I really like how they have 78 templates and 64 tools. Especially about the templates, they are simply amazing. There are currently a lot of AI writing tools on the market, but not many of them have this many templates or unique templates, such as nurse cover letter, teacher cover letter. So there are so many unique templates that you will not find on any other AI tools, and I think this is what makes Wordkraft.ai a very good tool. There are also some other impressive features, such as this tool can write a 3000 word article in a few seconds with just 2 clicks, and the article generating process is also very cool. It even shows you the related images that you can use on your article to get better ranks on SEO. So overall, I think Wordkraft.ai is an excellent AI writing tool. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description, and these are the features you will get from this deal, and these are some of the codes that you can buy from Appsumo for Wordkraft.ai. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.